Hello, this is HK Laser Training Center. In this time, I will explain how to use edge detection. To use this, you must know how to set. Click Function in Work and Set next to Edge Detection to enter Settings screen. Now you can see MPF and User in Detect method. First, the MPF is performing edge detection by size that's stored in MPF file. It is also possible that performing in small materials such as 400 by 400 millimeters. Before using edge detection, size of material must be larger than that in MPF file to avoid any problem while working. In User, you can set your own material size. Input size in User set edge detect size, and to avoid any problem, the input size must be larger than that currently laid. And it is not recommended to modify another value such as sensing speed, sensing bounds, etc. After setting done, go back to work and click Edge Detection and NC functions on/off to perform edge detection before cutting. When performing edge detection, the material must be on table and input origin once. Then the machine will perform edge detection from it to calculate tilted angle and actual position before start cutting. When starting from second cutting with same origin, you don't have to input again, and the machine will repeat same edge detection from origin that previously set. Thank you.